Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Hoyewale, and in this video I will be showing you the making process of this project. Yeah, this is what I will be showing you, and this was filmed in a friend workshop some Saturdays ago. I was on an unofficial visit to a friend and I overmet him working on this project, and I got the permission for him to film this, and I filmed this, and it is here for you to see. This project is wonderful. You don't get to use and so much material. They just film material, and the most fantastic thing about this is there's no you're not using a pattern for this project, and this has the two options. You can either leave it plain, and you can also leave it add it up with an A on leather material to make it quite different. That is what I see, and that's why I think this is going to be wonderful for me showing you this project. This project is made by Thay, and you either you want me to come into your workshop to feel something, just drop into the comment. But before then, let's go in and see the making process of this project step by step.
today, and it's my pleasure. Actually, making this is not a really hard thing. What you need to do is just to get your mold.
Okay.
This is the mold. Just place it on a paper, then use a barrel to bring out the shape, then cut it out with your scissors. Okay. After cutting it out with your scissors, you bring the material you want to use for the sole and insole together, then place it on it, use the barrel to mark the shape on it, cut it out, look for a heel.
Okay.
Add the heel to it, then after cutting it, gum it together, then use your fabric.
Okay.
Since you are not using pattern,
okay,
because I actually did not use pattern for this.
Yes, I saw you didn't get to use pattern at all, and that is one of the things that interests me in doing in picking this up. All right. Thank you so much for watching to this time. This has been very, very wonderful. This is very, very wonderful. It just justified me coming. I'm Sunday Oyewale, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell for you to be notified when we release awesome video like this on this platform. This connect to me on my social media handle, and never forget the TuneIn social media handle is also in the description of this video. Then you can connect and then ask questions. Bye for now, and look forward to have you in a subsequent